Hey guys, welcome back to the Hobby Farm Homestead. Today we got a whole list of things to do. I finally went and got a ladder so I can go ahead and take care of that soffit over there. This is like a 28-foot, 250-pound capacity ladder, so I've always needed one to get to the gutters and stuff like that over there, but we're going to get that taken care of today, and that way we can keep the birds out of the house, right? Also, we got to move some manure out back. We're going to put where we're going to till up that yard or that garden and get that a little bit mended in. And then when it dries up a little bit, we'll plow it over. So we also got to get some hay over our buddy's house, get that moved in while the ground's still frozen. And I think that's it. After that, everything's going to thaw out, and then we're back to the muddy mess. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the video. Alright guys, this is going to be a couple years in making, but this is the first little bit that I'm going to put on here. And then once I plow this in and till it up, I'll level it out a little better. But like I said, here's the trick. So should be able to draw water from that. Do all this. So this is all level till about right there. Then it kind of dips, but once I plow it and till it, it'll be okay. This is about 3-year-old manures, so it should be should do pretty good. Now I might have to cut these couple trees down so it doesn't shadow on it too bad, but we'll see how it goes. You know, that's my hay field out there. It kind of goes down the hill here, so I'll probably stop it right here. And it'll come out to about right here. So that'll be good, big enough. See, this floods down here, so it wouldn't be smart to put a garden down here and just flood out, you know, in a heavy rain. But my property stops about right. You can see the difference. Like this crossing isn't mine, but it stops about right here. You can see up through there the difference. Like that's my field, and this is, I've been trying to buy all that, but that guy won't sell it. And that field right there isn't mine either. So, but it floods down here a lot. You can see all the cattails. But I've been trying to buy that off of him for probably the last 5 years. He won't budge on it. That's part of the original farm. This was a 53-acre farm, but we only bought 10 acres of it. So, all right, guys, we're gonna go get some hay now and get into a few other things. Yeah, he's right there. All right, guys, back and getting the hay. I think we got 40 bales on there, maybe. So we're gonna go ahead and get this unloaded into the lean-to, and we're probably gonna go check on the woods and get that card out of the camera and see what we got on it. So let's get this hay undone. All right, got all the hay undone. So now let's get out in the woods and see what we got.
Don't put it in backwards. Apparently we have 194 pictures.
Alright, yeah, so 194 pictures. I think that's pretty good. I think that's probably double what we got last time. So they ate every little bit this time. And they've got it real tore up. But I'm not seeing any signs of turkeys. But it's also hard to tell unless you see a feather. And I'm not seeing anything anywhere. Alright, well, we're going to go ahead and get the corn down and move on. I'm going to go back and look at that stand and see what kind of shape it's in. So let's get the corn down.
Like the double person stand, Dad?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Got all the corn down, so let's go ahead and walk over to this stand. Let's go ahead and take this Deere trail that goes up through here. I'm pretty sure it goes right by that stand, so let's go check it out.
I lost the trail, Daddy.
Right up through here. Right through here too. Some eating around right here.
Deers would cross this stuff.
Oh Oh, they just jump over that. There's a good clearing right here. Put the stand up that tree right there. Any of these trees. These are nice, straight, tall trees. Right over there. Ratchet strap up there.
Looks brand new. You think I can climb it?
Here you go. Here, film me.
Don't die, Dad. Want to see if it can hold both of us? Dad, can I come up?
Hold on.
This is so hard to hold this camera. Dad, you're flinging them down at me. Now can I come up? Dada, now can I come up?
Yeah, just be careful. So we have a shooting lane right here, and we have a shooting lane right there. That trail comes right up through here. All right, go ahead. So when we move our feeder, we'll probably put
Here, Dad.
it right over there.
Dad.
I'm coming.
You can come down now.
So this is a pretty good stand. Like I said, my wife's cousin just gave it to me, so this is a real nice stand, and it's already set up and everything. So I think we're in good shape. I mean, it's pretty tall, but we'll be all right. All right, I'm gonna get down. All right, so that's the stand. So this would be a shooting lane right through here, and there's another one. I can see right here. You know, there's a few little twigs we got to cut down. Well, we got all year to mess with. But so let's go check out what's on that card, and I'll get back with you guys after we do that.
My baseball bats.
All right, guys, we're back down here at the farm. I'm gonna go ahead and fix that little piece on the soffit so we can keep these birds out of my attic. But I also wanted to show you guys, we picked this up from an auction. It's a 273 New Holland baler. Our Massey back there, like I said, it misses like every 4 bales. So this one here we picked up. It's an older one, but New Holland's parts are easy to find. So that's why we went with this one. But we'll see how it works. You know, we gotta wait till we're baling hay. So all right, well, let's go ahead and get that soffit fixed, and that'll probably be the day. So let's get at it.
Does it fit, Daddy?
It will.
Okay.
All right, guys, we got it all fixed up there. It was just a little triangle piece. Got it stuffed in there with a little bit of silicone. It'll stay in there. Well, that's going to do it for today, guys. If you liked the video, give me a thumbs up. That really helps my videos with YouTube and the algorithm. And also leave a comment. More comments, more there are, the better it is. So we'll catch you guys on the next video.